everyone, welcome back, and you're in the kitchen with Lynn. Today I'm going to show you how I make my carrot, pineapple, mango and ginger juice. This is a classic all-around drink, guys, and the pineapple and ginger pairs so well with the carrot, giving it a refreshing tropical feel. Feel free to add some ice cubes and give my video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, kindly please do so. Also press that notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload another video. And also check the description box below. Here I have 4 medium-sized carrots. I also have a green mango. Well, not really green, guys. It's like in between, not ripe, not green. I also have a pineapple and a little piece of ginger, which is going to bring that little hint of flavor. So let me tell you about my juicer now. To make life easier for me, I like to place a bag right into my juicer receiving pulp compartment, just like this. Make sure that you flatten the end where the pulp is going to be coming out. This is going to save you so much time, guys. And you're going to see what I mean when I show you when I'm all done. Once it's set in there, place the cover right back over the juicer. And this is my second batch of juice for the morning, guys. So if you see my juicer looking a little messed up, that's all right. So over here I have the mango, which is like kind of half ripe, in between ripe and green. The carrots, ginger, and the pineapple. So I'll prep them and come right back. Here I have them, and if you notice that my ginger has the skin on, once it's washed and I'm juicing, it's all right. I'm going to juice with the skin on. You can feel free to remove the skin if you want. So I'm going to place them into the juicer like this. Yes, guys, and if you notice, you can see exactly where the pulps are going, all right? Right into that plastic bag. Why my juicer is vibrating like this, I do not know. It's on a flat surface, but I have no idea. And guys, I love to make my own juice because I know what's going in and what's coming out. So there you have it. You can see exactly how my pulp container is clean, all right, after removing the bag with the pulp. This is such an easy way of just saving time. This is what my juice looks like. All healthy, refreshing, and nice. And let me tell you, this is one of my favorite tropical juice. It is light, refreshing, and delicious. Once I pour them into my mason jar, I'm going to use one now. It's like 7:42 in the morning. I'll use one now, and like in another 6-7 hours, I'll be using the other set. And here you have it, guys. There are no hidden ingredients, no sugar added, no water, and just like most juice have, this is just all natural. Place the cover onto your mason jar, pop it into the refrigerator so that it can chill for later. So give it a try. It's easy, simple, nutritious, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.